What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. You might be wondering, why does Jacob have blue gloves on? I'm going to show you here. So we got the Mustang here. I just gave it a wash and a wipe down, and then used these pads. All right, so I have been thinking about this, talking about this for a while. I've been wanting to do like a clear coat on it, but I didn't really want to like spray it. So we have this wipe on clear coat, Poppy's Patina. I got the gloss clear, like the whole kit. So it comes with like towels, applicator pads, pre-cleaner, wax and grease remover, Catalyst, and the clear. First thing I did was wash the car, and then the gray, like very light duty, like scuffing pads. So that's what I did. It is now drying right now. Now I need to go back over and just wipe it down like with it dry. But some of the areas you can see with the sun, they did get good clean, good little scuff. And then also like chipped off a lot of this loose stuff for the rust. Yeah, cleaned off a lot of this kind of rust so it's not so like orangey. I don't like the orange. Also a lot of this rust, see how it's been rusting down, and all that like orange has been getting like under the Bondo, and it's just been like into the paint. You can kind of see it a little bit right here, how it's just been like orangey into the paint. I got most of it out. A lot of it you can't really get it out just because it's been there for so long. I don't want to put, you know, scrub down all the paint. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry, wipe it down one more time, wax and grease remover, give it a final look around to see if everything's fine. Then I'm gonna get some clear. I'm going to try to do a little like section, probably like on the back here somewhere, just to like see. I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. So yeah, this will be the last time you'll see a dull Mach 1. So take a good look. All right, so the wax and grease remover is on. The car is completely ready to be clear coated now. So, all right, got the car masked off of all the places I don't want clear coat to be on. Pretty easy. Now, like around the back here, I'm not really concerned if clear coat gets on like the taillight panel. But I'm not going to put clear coat on that. I'm not going to put clear coat on the valance panel just because it's black, and there's not really any point in trying to like preserve the patina on it. But masked off all the window trim, put little trash bags in the tires just because I don't want like clear coat like getting on it if I like rub it and there's like a big spot on it. Front bumper thing there. So I'll probably just take it easy around like the top there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of the clear coat mixed up and just start swiping on her. All right, so we got this thing mixed up. I use this, so it's 2 cups, which is 8 quarter cups, and then I did half of the half, so it's 1 quarter cup, so it's 2 cups of that, quarter cup of that, 8 to 1, mix it up. Now we're gonna start applying. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is wiped down. You can see. So, got it all mixed up, got it all applicated, got it all wiped down. It is looks a little streaky right now, but I'm sure once it dries, it'll be fine. And then tomorrow, once this all like cures up, I'm gonna try to do a second coat on it because I didn't really use all that much. I think the sides came out great, but I think the hood and a couple little places back there, I have to like touch up a little bit. Back here and some along the roof, I got to do a little touch up. And then probably have to do another coat on the hood and the roof and like the top of the fenders, just because like that's gonna be like the main areas that see the most wear and tear, and as far as the sunlight goes. But yeah, we'll look at it in about another 30 minutes or so and see how it's kind of hardened to the touch.